Hello and welcome to Big Apple Academy eClass tutorials. Today we're going to talk about homework and how to do homework directly from eClass. First thing you want to do is log into your account and find the homework you wish to edit. We're going to use this test homework right here. Please note that this is a beta version, so if you do have any issues or any feedback at all, you could email us at info@transys.com or just leave a comment under this video. So we will click complete homework right here and a PDF editor will load. There's 4 pages to this homework and these are the tools available to you. So as you can see, the first page is upside down. There is a rotate function that could rectify that. You could also crop if you wish. Moving on to the next page, we could use the type function here. So you could change the color of the text, make it bold, italic, or underline, pretty basic. Or you could choose the draw function and write freehand. Moving on to the next page right here, this is something that could be useful during test time. Kids could simply use the draw function to choose their answers. Could also use icons like stars, hearts, and arrows, as well as basic shapes. They all work the same way. You choose your icon, change your color, and you're set. So once you're done, you just click complete homework and it will be attached to this post, and the teacher will be able to see the homework and use the same exact tools to make comments or just mark it as received. Eventually we will be adding a grading function as well. You can also check the homework you just uploaded by clicking download completed homework and just downloading right here. This is it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and you can also check out our other tutorials for eClass on our YouTube channel.